I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your GoDaddy website with ease. Whether you're showcasing a product, sharing a tutorial, or simply making your site more engaging, adding a video can make all the difference. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to the GoDaddy website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section labeled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting, and Online Marketing Tools. This is where you'll find all of GoDaddy's website management options. Next, go to the Product section. Here you'll see all your GoDaddy products, including your domains and websites. Scroll through until you find the website you want to work on, then select Edit Website. This will open the user-friendly website editor where you can make changes to your site's design and features. Inside the editor, look for the option to Add Section. This feature allows you to insert new components into your web page, such as text, images, or in this case, a video. Click Add Section to continue. When the menu opens, type Video in the search bar. This filters the options and shows you the available video layouts. Pick the one that best matches your website's style and needs. After selecting a layout, click on it to open the customization screen. Here you can adjust the section to fit your content. Once you're ready, click Add. The video section will now appear on your page. From there, you can either upload a video directly or link to one hosted online, such as a YouTube or Vimeo video, depending on your strategy. That's it. You've successfully added a video to your GoDaddy website in just a few steps.